And now we're back over here on the dashboard. Check this out, full statistics. I can see how many pages are unpublished, how many pages are published, my page views, my number of visitors. We have full statistics here. The visitor chart for the last 2 weeks. If we want to add a new page, we can do that. This is really cool. Now, we're going to keep you organized because let's say that you have one funnel that has a certain amount of pages in it. Well, you can come over here, you can create a new group, and you can actually add your pages to that group. So if we come down here, you can see that we have all of these pages here that are not grouped. So we can simply come over here and we can edit those pages. We can change the permalink. We can look at the stats for the individual page, and we can come down here. We can add it to the group, save it as HTML. Remember what I said about the split testing? We can come over here. We can add a split test variation. We can duplicate the page. Guys, you will never find another page builder like Instabuilder 2.0. And remember, we're not done just yet. There's new features being added all the time. Top-notch support. You have a section here for the training videos, FAQ section. Everything is here. You are in great hands with Susanna and the rest of the Instabuilder 2.0 team. This here is the premier page builder and probably the last one you will ever need. So do yourself a favor, guys, because I did not even hit the tip of the iceberg with this page builder. It is an ultimate solution to sales pages, opt-in pages, webinar pages, thank you pages, download pages, you name it, it will handle it all at the click of a mouse. Just exactly what I showed you, that's exactly how it's going to go. So scroll through the rest of the page, check out some of the features and the benefits, and when you're ready, click the button down below this video and you will have instant access to Instabuilder 2.0. Guys, I want to thank you so much for your time. Thank you for hanging in there. We had a lot to cover, and there's still a lot more for you to discover. On that note, on behalf of the Instabuilder 2.0 team, I want to wish you all the best.